I had a role in the latest episode, and I can't get over it. It was a very small role, but it was a very crucial role. Also, you might be noticing that I am joined by two people. I'm joined by Tabby, and I'm joined by our good friend, TheWheezingYeen. Hello.
Of course your role isn't a big role. You're too short for a big role.
Hold on a minute. Say that again?
No.
No. You cannot do this to me. What did you just say? Are you seriously just gonna push this aside?
No.
Didn't say it.
I said, of course your role in it was small. You're too short to do a big role.
You really talking?
Just hit me. I deserve it. I was waiting for it.
So rude. Serena, a 1x1 Lego brick would be considered a mansion.
Okay, I'm just gonna
Do not treat me like Corgi Cam.
Come on, sir. Don't be so short with.
I'm not that short.
Says the shortest person in the server.
I hate you guys. I freaking hate you guys.